last night I was going to film. I was going to take out my phone and film out over there where the bungalows, few bungalows that do lights, and in the corner bit, it all looks lit up and nice. You can see it from here at night time. You can see it lights up the sky, but started to bloody rain like crazy. Really heavy as well. So that spoiled that view. I was going to use it for today's video. I might have to do it tonight if it's fine. If it's not raining, I might do it tonight. Anyway, good morning. Another crappy day, but I'm going to get out soon. I'm going to buy tonight's lottery. It is Wednesday today, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to get tonight's lottery and see if I win. If I don't, I don't. Be nice though if I do. It's a bit windy out there. That lamppost over there, that one there, has been wobbling a bit. I've seen a few birds struggling with wind. Anyway, oh, my hand's on the nerve, I can feel it shaking. Anyway, I'm going to finish my coffee, get a shower, turn this light on in here. Looks dull in the morning. Well, there, if you can see it. Missed it, I think. Birds struggling with wind. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Well, I'm going to get a lottery. I'm not sure if I need anything else. I'm going to that shop down there. Don't have to wait for staff to get off their arses. But I'm going to have a look later on. It's quite warm today. Windy but warm. What I was saying is I'm going to have a look later on and see if those lights are on. And use that bit for tomorrow. I'm going to walk past this tree. That reminds me of Beetlejuice. I'll show you. That'd be a good point in your corner of your living room, all painted up, to look like that thing of Beetlejuice. The original Beetlejuice, not the new one. That wind's picking up a lot. But if it stays dry, later on I will film it, unless it pisses it down with rain. just got some milk from that shop. Checked it all around it. Not one Arla sign on it. Cool. Right. I'm going to start going there now. On my way home I might go past that them bungalows, see if they got the lights up ready, and then I'll go later on to film it all when it's dark. Ooh, it's nice and warm in sun, but when you get in shade it's a bit cool. It's only a little bit of a detour from wherever you go in anyway. Oh, get mess down here. And that's from the wind. They use that bin that I've just passed, and all wind blows it all out, all of it straight. With all the leaves as well. Instead of going left here, I'm going to go right over that way where the bungalows are. It's not far, but I might take this camera and my phone, and then you can see the difference between the two of them, because this DJI is not really that good at night time. Bit like my bloody drone. Later on I won't be wearing my bloody hat though. I've had to bloody put it back on 3 times already. Anyway, there's my flat. Just around this little bit of corner here. So them lights are, there's some here as well. But I'll do them, as well as the ones round corner. That's if they are there. Well, I see a few of them have got the lights up. A few lights that are hidden, so yeah. This is where it is. And there's this one here, well, 2 here. So yeah, I will come later. Hopefully it'll look good again. It did last year. I'll even film from a flat what it looks like when you can, at night time, you can see the lights glowing up in the sky. Right, I'm going to get home, get this milk put away. I've got lottery as well. Right, I'm home. Oh. Windy, cool, well, not cold, but I'm still sweating. Gee. Right. Oh. Lock that up. Don't trust them locks, but what else have I got? Apart from sharp knives if anyone breaks in. I did a bit of sharpening yesterday with this. Works fine now, my knives. Oh. Anyway, I'm going to get a coffee. Oh. And I've so dry it again. Oh. There's 2 reasons why I wear them. Well, 3 reasons. 1, stops the cold getting inside my ears. 2, when I'm walking past beggars in the street, you know, the fake ones, if they see them they think, oh, he's listening to music. And 3, I do actually listen to music. So that's why I wear them, because I've got perforated eardrums, and I'm saying that without spitting. A bit of a tongue twizzler for me. Anyway, I'll get my milk away. Right, I'm going to leave this video here, and then later on I'll be going out there filming them. I will show you what it looks like from my flat from the window when I film out. You can see the lights in the sky. It's all white, so it just looks like a bright light bulb. That's what it looks like from here anyway. So I'll film that later, and that will be on tomorrow. Yeah, it'll be the opening for tomorrow's video. So thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow.